Jai Ganesh. Hello students. Welcome to my English grammar class. Let us discuss today about adjectives, parts of speech. What are the adjectives? What do we mean by adjectives? Their uses, their position in the sentences, and their comparative of adjectives and order of adjectives. We will know a lot about adjectives in this class. Are the noun describers. We know adjectives are the important parts of speech. They modify the nouns. Adjectives describes things in many ways as a magic wand and bridal rings. Okay, so let us discuss first what is adjective. Adjectives are the noun describers. An adjective is a word used with a noun to or pronoun to describe a person, animal, place or thing. So adjectives describe or noun describers or describes nouns or pronouns. Take the example. Kolkata is a big city. You see, big is the adjective because it qualifies, it modifies, describes the city, a place. He gave me a new pen. You see, new is the adjective. Why? Because it describes the pen, a thing. She is honest. Honest is a adjective because it describes person. She and tigers are a person and tigers are wild animals. Wild is the adjective of the animals. So an adjective is a word used with a noun or pronoun to describe a person, animal, place or thing. Okay. So let us discuss the position of adjectives. There are three positions of the adjective. Some of them are attributive use, predicative use, and postposition use. Okay, so let us discuss first the attributive use of adjectives. Attributive adjectives go before the nouns or a pre-noun position. They modify. You see, you have a big house. You see, big is the adjective and it describes the noun house and it is used before the noun house. So the position is here pre-noun position or attributive position, or we can say this the attributive use of adjective because adjective big is used before the noun house to which it modifies. Okay, I'm clear. We may have a good weather today. You see here the noun phrase is a good weather and weather is the noun and good is the adjective of the noun weather. So it is used, the adjective good is used before the noun weather. So the position is a pre-noun position or attributive position. Okay. Another example you see, he appears to be a hungry man. You see, hungry. Who is hungry? Man is hungry. So hungry, the adjective qualifies the man or modifies man and it is used before the noun man. So the position here is a pre-noun position or attributive use. Now I think we are clear. I am clear. We are clear about the attributive use of adjective. Let us discuss the predicative use. Predicative use means adjectives used after link verbs like be, become, seem, look, appear, get, meaning become, stay, remain, look, feel, taste, smell, round. Is honest. Honest is adjective and used after is link verb be. These dresses are colorful. You see, colorful is adjective and it is used after the be verb are. So it is adjective and its use is, though it is after link verb, it is predicative use. It is used in the predicate. Function the part of a predicate. That field looks green. You see, green is here, the adjective. And it is used after the link verb looks. So the use here is predicative use. The man appears hungry. Hungry is the adjective and it is used just after the link verb appears. So it is predicative use. Okay, so you see and keep in mind, let us practice or memorize. We can use most adjectives in both positions, before the noun or pre-noun position or attributive position or attributive use, and before a noun or after a link verb. We can also use after a link verb means predicative use. Before a noun means attributive use, after a link verb means it is predicative use. But a few adjectives are usually used in one position. A few adjectives are usually used in one position. Okay, you see, the cake has a sweet smell. The cake smells sweet. Here you see, in the first sentence, sweet adjective is used before before smell. Okay, so it is attributive use. It is used before the noun. But in the second sentence, the cake smells sweet. Sweet is used after the link verb smells. So in the past sentence it is attributive use. In the second sentence it is predicative use. So we can use most of the adjectives in both positions, attributive and predicative position, pre-noun and after the link verb. Okay, and some adjectives are there that go after a link verb, not before a noun. Example, afraid. We can say I am afraid. The boy is afraid. We can't say the afraid boy because it can't go before a noun. It does not have pre-noun position or attributive position. The examples: afraid, asleep, alike, alive, alone, ashamed, aware, awake, content, pleased, well, sure, ready, sorry, unable. The baby is asleep. Here, asleep, we can't say the asleep baby is asleep. We can't say. Why? Because this adjective cannot come or go after a link verb. The child is glad. The child is glad. It is not glad child. We know this adjective glad or asleep cannot go before a noun. They usually do not go before a noun or any pre-noun position. They can be used after the link verb. The baby is asleep. Here asleep is used after the be verb, be verb. And in the second sentence, the child is glad. Glad adjective is used after the be verb. Okay. So you see, some adjectives are there that go before nouns but not after the link verbs, like cheap. You see, we can say chief minister. We can say chief minister. This is the main building, but we can't say the building is main because these adjectives go before nouns in pre-noun position or attributive use, not predicative use. This is the main building. Football is an outdoor game. Football game is outdoor. No, we can't do that because these adjectives go before nouns, not after link verbs. Example: chief, principal, only, inner, outer, upper, indoor, farmer, elder, existing, mere, utter, little man. You see. Another position of adjective is the post position. What is post position means? The adjectives used immediately after the nouns they modify. You see, I think that something terrible is going to happen. You see, terrible is the adjective and it is used just after the noun, something, noun or pronoun, it modifies. Okay, everything necessary will be done. Necessary is the adjective and it is used after everything. There was nobody or no one important at the meeting. This position, the above adjective, is called post position. Post position means just after the or immediately after the noun, and they modify. Okay, so you see, Some adjectives can be used before a noun or immediately after it, the noun. But these adjectives have different in each position in meaning. For example, the concerned mother rushed her baby to the doctors. Here means concerned here means worried mother. Here concerned adjective is used, attributive is there, it is used before the noun or pre-noun position. So its meaning is worried mother. The doctor concerned told her not to worry. Here concerned is post position. It is just concerned is the adjective and noun is the noun. It modifies, so it is used after, immediately after the noun or a post position. But meaning is different. Why? How? The doctor concerned told her not to worry. Doctor attending the baby. The doctor, particular doctor. You see, take the other example. He is a responsible person. A responsible here adjective is attributive use. Here meaning is reliable and duty bound. The person responsible for the delay will be punished. Here responsible is being the cause of something wrong. Okay. You take other example. The present members are highly educated. Means sitting members. Present is a pre-noun position, pre-noun position or predicative use. The meaning here is the present members are highly educated. Present here means sitting members. The next sentence, the members present in the meeting gave their opinion. Here present is post positions and meaning is though attending. The members those are attending. Okay. So let us discuss some nouns can be used as adjectives. There are some nouns which can be used before another noun. So they function as adjectives and they are called classifiers. Example, those classifiers as a noun, let us go to the cinema. Cinema here is the noun and we can use cinema to as a, for an adjective or classifier. How? The Globe is an old cinema hall. Okay, cinema here is a noun used as an adjective, so it is called classifier. Switch off the television. Here television is a noun. The second sentence, I enjoy television program. Here program is the noun, television is the adjective. As the noun function as a adjective is called classifier. Okay. Similarly, we can say library book, science college, steel chair, marriage procession, etc. Okay. I think you have a clear-cut idea about adjective that we have discussed. Let us do some activities. Activity 1, fill the blanks with suitable adjectives from the bracket. The food has become dark and stale is there. We can say stale. The food has become stale. This is appropriate adjective. The man appears, hot is there, angry is there. Angry. Okay, this is the main building, not world building. Okay, everything necessary will be done. I bought a steel chair. The film is boring. He is a frightened boy. Why do you look so depressed? The higher you go, the cooler you feel. They are living in a big house. We have already completed the activity. So I think you have a clear-cut idea about something about adjective. Okay. In the next class, we shall discuss the position of adjective or comparison of adjective and their order of adjective, which is very important. You must not miss the next class. Thank you very much. Best of luck.